Alright, so in this video we'll be looking at printf and scanf. So basically printf is an output function which displays data to the user's screen or console, whereas your scanf is the opposite, the input function that is used for collecting data from the user. Let's say you want a user to enter their name, you use your printf to say, and please enter your name, and then when they enter the name, the scanf will collect this data and then send it back to the program. So that's basically what the two they do in your code. All right, let's take an example. We want a user to enter their name. A name is usually a string, so I'll be using char. So let's say char. Let's call it A, and I want it to be within like 100 letters. So we're going to say, please enter your name. So we'll put our quotation marks and we'll write, please enter your name. I want to put a colon there, and after that we'll go to our scanf. Now the syntax is you put your format specifier within the bracket, within the quotation mark. Here we're using a string, so it's going to be %s, and you put a comma, you put the, I'm not sure if it is ampersand or and then you put the name of the variable. So after that, after getting the name, we want to say, what do we say? Okay, we want to say welcome. So I wanted to say welcome, and then it's going to say your name. That will be %s. Again, we put our comma and we put the name of the variable. So let's run, let's build, and so it says please enter your name. Let's assume, or let's say your name is David. When you enter, it's going to say welcome David. So the printf was used to give the instruction to the user, and the scanf was used to collect the information that the user returned. All right, thanks for watching, and do have a lovely day.